Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode is this cool one right here, and basically what this is a comforter set, if you can see it from this brand right here. And for this particular set that we got right here is an 8-piece. So there's definitely a lot of stuff in here, ranging from the comforter to the pillow sham to the pillowcase and etc. And obviously when I mention it's an 8-piece, it depends on what kind of mattress or bed you guys get. So whether you guys get a queen size, king size, full size, or twin size. If you guys get this for the twin size, you guys won't get 8 pieces of stuff inside right here. You guys probably will get less. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it actually looks like. So there's definitely a lot of stuff inside right here and it's all compressed. Let's take everything out. Alright, so here is the first bag. Not sure what this is, but we'll find out in a second when we open it up. And then right here is the second bag, and I'm assuming this is the comforter. And then right here they provide you guys a piece of paper to tell you guys what is actually included in the actual package, depending on what you guys get. But this is basically what's included in the package. Let me actually open up both of these to show you guys what is actually included inside and what actually looks like first. So I'll probably start with the small bag here first. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what's included inside. Alright. So this one that we have right here, it looks like it's the bed skirt. So this one should be for the bottom of your bed. So as I put this underneath like a layer for your box spring or whatever, you definitely can. And then right here, if you can see there's a bunch of stuff right here. So I'm assuming one of them is a flat sheet, one of them is the bed sheet, and then two of these should be the pillow, if you can see. So right here is basically what the pillow sham looks like. And the other one should be the blue color. So you definitely have the option to mix and match to actually make it a little different. So that is basically what's included in the first package. Let me show you the other bag. Alright, so when we open up this one here, you can definitely see that's actually really big. But you definitely see the pattern on here looks really nice. And the cool thing about this one is the fact that it's reversible. So if you guys want to use the other side, you definitely can. And they do provide you guys a little pillowcase right here if you guys want to use it as well. So there's one right here, and then this one right here. And the way how they design the pillowcase looks like this. So they have it in this color on this side, and when you guys flip it to the other side, they have it in this color right here. So they probably got two of these right here if you guys get the queen size. But this is basically what the product looks like and what is actually included in here. So for all these products right here, for the bed sheet, the pillowcase, and the comforter and everything, they are all machine washable. So obviously if it's the first time you use the product, you definitely want to wash it before you guys use it. So you definitely want to use like cold water to wash it, and you want tumble dry and low. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Let me actually go wash this first and then show you guys how to set it up and what it actually looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we just finished washing everything, and then right here we have a mattress. So I'm actually set everything up to show you guys what it actually looks like. And also I want to let you guys know that right now we have 2 pillows to use. So for this video I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like when we actually put on the pillows with 2 different pillows on here instead of 4. So let's set everything up and then show you guys what it actually looks like. So you see right here I already have a bed skirt set up, but I'm actually put on the new one to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we got the bed skirt set up right here. If you can see, it looks very nice. What we're doing now is put the mattress on top. Alright, so once you guys put the mattress on top, then now you guys can actually put the bed sheet and everything on top. So for the first one I want to put on is the fitted sheet right here, where it has the little stretchy part right here. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is basically what it actually looks like. So once you guys finish this part, what you're going to do next is put on the sheet right here. So for this bed sheet, you don't have to put it on if you guys don't want to, but you definitely can if you guys want to. For this test, I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys do put it on. So the bed sheet right here, if you guys want to hang out, you definitely can, but you can definitely fold it right underneath the bed as well. Alright, so something like that should be fine. So obviously right now, if you can see, we do have this gap right here, and the reason why is because the mattress is not fully expanded yet, since I recently just got this. But you see we have the bed skirt set up, we have the bed sheet set up, and we have the stretchy fitted sheet as well. Now we actually put on the comforter on top, and then we'll set up the pillows as well. Alright, see once we put on the comforter, this is basically what it actually looks like. So it's definitely pretty big, so that way you guys have good coverage throughout the side as well. So that way you guys don't have to worry about being too cold on this part or that part or whatever. You definitely feel really warm regardless of where you guys put it. But now let me set up the pillow to show you guys what that looks like as well. So since I only have 2 pillows, I'm going to use one of them for the actual pillowcase, and the other one I actually use it for my pillow sham. So you basically want to put this inside right here. Slide it in all the way. Once you guys get to this part right here, you guys want to close it up like this. That way it has like an envelope design to actually seal it inside. And basically once you guys set it up, this is basically what the pillow looks like. So you basically just put that right there. And then for the other one, like I mentioned, I'll just use the pillow sham to actually set up to show you guys what it actually looks like. And I'll probably just put both of them with the same pillowcase to show you guys another point of view as well. Alright, so right here we have the pillow sham. So basically same thing, you just want to slide it in. And then once you guys have it in, this is basically what the pillow looks like. So usually if you guys have 4 pillows, this one right here will go in the front, and this one goes in the back like this. And this is basically what the setup should look like. Let me actually bring it a little bit closer to show you guys another point of view of the product. Alright, so here's another point of view of the product. If you can see, this is basically what it actually looks like. So if you guys have 4 pillows, it actually looks a lot better. So that way you guys have the 2 of these things on that side as well. Since there is a total of 2 pillow shams and 2 pillowcase. But right here, we can see we have the comforter. It actually looks really nice. And if you guys notice on the comforter right here, there's a little bit of wrinkles, which is totally fine. You can definitely get like a portable steamer to actually steam it out to actually remove any of the wrinkles off from the blanket, the comforter, the bed sheet or whatever. So you don't have to worry about the wrinkles staying on there. As long as you guys have a portable steamer to actually steam it, then you should be fine. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it all up. Let me actually change the gray pillow to this pillow right here to show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys have 2 of the same ones. So you can see this is basically what the pillow looks like when you guys set it all up. So if you guys have 2 more pillows, like I mentioned, you can definitely put it in the back. But it's not required for you guys to use those if you guys don't want to. You can definitely just set it up like this if you guys want to. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys set it up. Let me actually hop on and show you guys what it actually looks like if we were to actually go on and describe how it feels and everything. Alright, let's hop on. Alright, so once we hop on, the pillowcase and everything actually feels really nice and very soft. The actual blanket or comforter right here actually feels really nice. It feels really smooth and really soft. It also feels really warm as well. When you guys feel the texture on here, it actually feels really smooth. I actually really like it a lot. I definitely love the fact of how you can throw this into the machine to wash it and dry it as well. But you see, this is basically what the product looks like once you guys assemble it. Definitely looks very nice and actually feels really nice as well. And the cool thing about this blanket right here is the fact that if you guys want to reverse it the other way, you definitely can as well. So let me actually show you guys what I mean. Alright, so if you guys want to flip it this way, you definitely can. And then same thing for the pillows as well. If you guys want to flip it to the other side, if you guys want to mix and match, so one blue and one gray, you can definitely do that as well. So that's actually really cool how to give you guys an option that's reversible. So if you guys want to use one color or the other color, you can definitely reverse it how you guys want to. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. If you can see, everything about the product actually looks and feels really nice. I definitely love the design of the product as well, especially because of the fact of how it's reversible. So if you guys want to use the gray side or the blue side, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But see, this one whole set basically has everything that you want or need. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that she does work and it's quite well. Super easy to use. Basically once you guys finish washing and drying the product, you can definitely set it up really easily. And basically for this product, you don't have to use everything that's actually included. If you don't want to use like the pillow shams or if you guys don't want to use the bed skirt, you don't have to. But definitely the overall product feels like a high quality material, ranging from the pillowcase, the pillow sham, the comforter, and even like the bed sheet or bed skirt. Everything looks really nice. So obviously for this product, they have it in many other colors. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But like I mentioned, the one that we got right here is a blue color. In terms of the size of the product, they do have it available for like twin size, full size, queen size, king size, and the list goes on. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a bed sheet set that has everything on here, such as the pillowcase, the pillow sham, the comforter, the bed sheet, the flat sheet, and even if you guys want like the bed skirt as well. If you guys want all of that, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.